Morning, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Assembly. Last week we met Mr. Raven in the Year 7 team, didn't we? All about moving into the Year 7 and what it was like. Well, we have come right to the other end because in September, 52 brand new children are going to start our school. So we thought we'd give them a bit of a clue about what reception's like. Now, I think about 19 of our children kind of know because they've got brothers and sisters already here. That means they're called siblings. But they still want to know, and there are lots and lots of children who can watch this on YouTube and think, oh gosh, is that what it's like? This is outside in the corridor, all about anti-bullying day and maths. We do maths in reception about numbers. Lots of things dangling. I bet all the teachers have gone home. Let's have a little... Oh no, they're here. Hello, Miss Coyle. How are we doing?
Hello,
Miss Smith.
Hello.
So here we are. Miss Coyle, Miss Smith, tell us a little bit about in here.
Well, this is our lovely reception and this is our Bella classroom. We've got our Bertie classroom in there, and I and Miss Smith work very hard in the reception classrooms to make sure that they're really fun for the children, for them to explore and learn and engage with other children. This area, Mr. Parker, is my favourite.
I love your fireplace.
Do you like it?
Who made that?
Do you know what? Miss Smith had a go at making that with the children.
Okay.
Yeah, they had a little go together.
And what's all this on the wall? All this math stuff?
So this is our maths area, Mr. Parker, and this is where all of the children do their lovely counting. At the moment, we're learning the part whole model. So here, children have been talking about two numbers that are then joined into one number.
By putting them together, you mean?
By putting them together.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, would you like to show me it?
So, like, if Everton scores 2 goals in the first half tonight and then 2 goals in the second half, that means it's a total of 4. Is that what you're talking about?
That's what I'm talking about, Mr. Parker.
Let's hope that happens then,
Hopefully
I
it
say.
does.
What's over here then? Creative area.
So this is our creative area, and this is where the children have lots of fun using their imagination and creating lots of new things. We use lots of junk modelling. This week, the children have been making superheroes out of these plastic cups because we've been learning all about Michael Recycle.
Michael Recycle?
Yeah.
Can we have a look outside?
Of course you can.
You're loving this, aren't you, Miss Coyle?
It's lovely, sunny.
Look at that out here. So what goes on out here, Miss Coyle?
So out here, Mr. Parker, this is our cafe where the children like to make lots of summery food, summery drinks, and then we bring them over to the children that are at the restaurant ready to have some food.
And you reception children, look over the balcony. You get to play out there as well. And what have we got down here? Oh gosh, you've got flowers growing.
Miss Smith, would you like to tell?
We do, we have some flowers, and we also have some beans just over here.
Okay.
The children have planted.
What, baked beans?
Not baked beans.
No.
So these are our beanstalks that are growing. We
Okay.
planted these when we were learning about Jack and the Beanstalk.
Right.
And now they're nice and big.
They're very tall.
What else have we got down here?
So over here, Mr.
Oh, right,
Parker,
okay.
we've got an ice cream parlour. So what the children do is they've got a scoop and they can scoop out the ice cream and then give it to their friends. We've also got a little cash machine where you can get some money out of too.
So you learn about relationships, being nice to each other, numbers, spoken language.
You're absolutely
all
right,
of that.
Mr. Parker, all of that, and that's what we really promote here with our vocabulary as well. Each week we've got new vocabulary on the wall, so then we put it in provision. At the moment, the language that we've been using in class it's been all about growth, recycling, reducing, reusing, and you can really see that come into the children's provision.
And look at that lovely cathedral behind you. What a view.
Oh, it is just lovely.
Can we have a look next door?
Absolutely, Mr.
We'll
Parker.
could go this way, can't we?
I think we've got some other members of staff in here.
Is Mr. Mason hiding in here? Hello, Mr. Mason. Hello, Miss Wheaton.
Hello, Mr. Parker.
What's going on here, Mr. Mason?
Mr. Parker, we've been learning all about our local area and we've been making maps.
Right.
using lots of different materials.
Wow.
And I'm just making my mat now.
How are you?
Yeah. Got a nice little lake in the park and everything like that.
Good. And we've got Welcome to Our World. And we've got maths displays. We talked about maths before because we've kind of got two classrooms. That's where we were before. That can kind of turn into one. And we have a door there as well.
We're very lucky that we've got all of this space, 2 classrooms and a balcony.
Very lucky.
It's really lovely whenever we open all of the doors and the children can choose where they would like to play. It's very, very free flow, and you wouldn't think that there's 52 children in total whenever we do have a choose, would you?
No.
No.
And have you got, so if you're looking at this at home and you're watching it with your mum and dad and you're a little bit worried about starting reception because you haven't got any brothers and sisters in school, what advice would you give, Miss Coyle?
My advice to new children starting without any siblings in our school, if you come to our meeting on the 14th of June, we've got a very special meeting where you'll get to meet me and you'll get a goodie bag. And in your goodie bag, you've got some lovely things and some lovely jobs that I would like you to do over the summer holidays, because those jobs let me know a little bit more about you and I can get our classrooms ready for you. So if you like maybe Sonic, we can put Sonic in our reading area, things like that. But what I would also advise you to do is have a little look at our website, parents, have a little look at our class page, get to know what our classroom looks like. You could even give us a little call and we could arrange a little walk around and for you to see your new classroom too. That would be my advice, Mr. Parker.
Perfect. Reception team, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's year 1 next week. So that was reception. Why are we doing it? Well, we did year 7 last week. We're doing it because of a word called transition. And transition can be scary, even for grown-ups. When you're starting a new job or anything new, it involves changes, which can be scary, and you've got to make the transition easier. So last week we were talking about year 7, transitioning into year 7. This week we're right to the other end of our school and talked about reception. So hopefully, if you are coming into our reception class in September and you've seen that, it makes you feel a bit better. But it's also very nice for the children who've been in reception to remember what it was like when they first started at LIPA Primary. Okay, shall we have a look at some work? Okay, not a busy week this week for work. I've got some Kids Got Talent. That's a joint effort there by some year 4 girls. I've got all sorts. I've got some maths work. I've got some origami down here. Ella Rose. Gosh, what a result last night. They're the only numbers that matter are 3 and 2. But my 3 winners this week, Cormac, as he says, the best artist in the world, very modest. And look at this, it's like a heart tree, isn't it? Let's have a look at the name on the back. Congratulations, year 4 Yasmin and Jessica. And we've got a mnemonic, LIPA is professional, I like that word, and also magnificent and safe, instead of dangerous for your good. Brilliant. Jessica, Yasmin and Cormac, you are book winners. I've got some news for you though about those books. So 2 things on the books. 1, I put another big order in. Certainly some of the boys further up the school were not too happy with me saying that they want some certain style of book, so I put an order in. It should be here next week, that. And the other thing about the books is that if you are collecting them and you're a winner, please collect them from the staff room. Because today, do you remember me showing you a few weeks ago about all those applications? Check this out. Today, we are doing interviews. So this pack belongs to Miss Coyle. And inside are all of her application forms, the questions that she's got to ask for us to try and choose another teacher for our school. So that's why my door is closed today. There'll be a sign on there. But remember, if you're a book winner, please go to the staff room and they're all set out for you to choose, all right? Okay, if you've had a birthday this week, and I know Miley in year 7 that you have in year 12, are we ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday if you had a birthday this week. Happy birthday to you. So stand up. What did you get? Where are you going? It's a big thing. Only a few more weeks to my birthday. It's the big 3-5. Very excited. So yeah, happy birthday everybody. What have we got to do next? We've got shout outs, we've got gold medals. Let's do some certificates. Okie dokie. So, again, thank you to Mrs. Williams in the admin team who's done an order for me. So, I think she's ordered 100 more of these, 100 more of these, and 120 more of the Maths Awards because I'm really low on those, really low. She's ordered more pencils, I'm getting low on those. The only thing she's not ordered is gold medals because I'm pretty good for those. Okay, so teachers get ready to press pause. And please hand out your certificates now. Well done everybody. Well done. If you've got one of these, take it home, put it on your fridge. Really always interested to know what's on the back or what your teachers have written on the front because it is important. All right, shout outs. Hello again everybody. Bit of excitement there. We had a power cut last night in this area, so that meant that I'm a bit late recording the assembly. Cuba, thank you very much for your joke. Why did the boy take a ladder to school? Because he wanted to go to the high school. There you go. Okay, we've got some shout outs. Joel, here we are. I promise you're on. Shout out to Joel, year 4, for working hard. And you never know, it could be the gold medal soon. Big shout out to year 2 from me for all their super agent training that they've been doing this week, and that's going into next week as well. Miss Lucas says, could I do a shout out for Keris in year 2, please? Because she's always so polite, happy, and has a kind thing to say every day. Mr. Flanagan, can I give 2 shout outs, please? He always does that. 2. First one is for William in year 3. He says, I've been in his class a couple of times this week and he's blown me away with his effort and his excellent behaviour. His artwork was amazing. Well done, William. My second is for Olive, who has come into school so sensibly every day this week and has done well remembering the features of a play script. Well done, Olive. Miss Atherton says, shout out to Carter in year 4 for blowing Miss Church and I away with his attitude to maths. Carter is working really hard for his multiplication and division questions. Miss Sutton says, Ayana in reception. This is interesting. Now, Ayana has been doing work, proper work, for being an actress. And she's been doing an advertisement for Alton Towers. So if you see the Alton Towers advertisement, Ayana from reception is on it. And I was talking to her dad the other day and we agreed that it was such a good idea because it builds confidence and resilience and it's just really good. So well done, Ayana. Miss Fearon says, could Jacob W have a shout out please? He's been amazing these past few days and has worked his socks off. Teachers, time to press pause because golden tickets, reception to year 4, get ready, access that email, bring it up. But remember, if you've won a book, go to the staff room, not here in my office because we're interviewing today, I told you that before. Year 5 and 6, congratulations if you've won your system this week. Go through to the staff room. All right, let's do golden medals. Mr. Mason wants to give the golden medal to Haruki in the Bertie class. He has such a wonderful attitude and has really impressed me with how he has learned this year. He's a true LIPA role model. He takes care of his friends. He's a resilient learner and all of his teachers are so proud. That's 1 gold medal. Mr. Raven, I would like to give the gold medal to Malik in year 6. He's such great progress with everything over the past few months, polite around school, lovely attitude, and Mr. Raven importantly says he can't wait to see him in year 7. Miss Atherton, gold medal for Yasmin. Yasmin, it's a double because you've won a book and you've won the gold medal. She's shown such resilience and positive attitude towards her maths work and all of the teachers in year 4 are really proud. She's demonstrating all of the skills of Captain Persistent. That's only 3 you're thinking. Let me have a look at your list because, let me see, Mr. Mason we've done, Miss Atherton we've done, Miss Williams in year 6, okay? please can you choose a golden medal person from year 6? Mr. Merivale will drop your golden medal in, but please let the children know who has won. Okay, that's it everybody. Assembly done, it's Friday, it's sunny, have a lovely weekend, and see you Monday.